So today, I have decided to do an update video. I don't know why I decided to do one, even though I already recorded one like a couple minutes ago. I'm just re-recording one. Help me. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the cosmetics. And it looks like we're in the Metro update. So let's go ahead and equip some of these cosmetics. I'm actually going to equip this one that you can play around with. And if you're wondering how I got the stick and finger painter, it's from a cosmetics mod. I will get to that in a short. So like there's this fly thingy. You just control it with your you can also hit it around. Here, let me bring it. Like whenever it comes down on the ground, you can just like kind of hit it around, like move it around. But then it just pops. Next, cosmetics. Yeah, I say cosmetics. Because like almost every single cosmetic in this new update is like a freaking pack by itself. So I'm going to go ahead and equip 2 packs so that this video can go by fast. Okay. I still have the stick, I guess that's good. This, wait, yay. So let's go ahead and put the, other ones. 2 different packs now. Okay. So like this pack, this one, is this. It looks weird, I don't like it at all. I absolutely hate it. There's this cosmetic, which it's glitched out. There's this cosmetic. There's the hat. There's this donut. There's this weight. Easy to lift because I'm him. I'm him. I'm him. Yeah. There's a new map, so here's the footage.